Welcome to Daily Tech Tips. Your WhatsApp account can be banned at any time if you break certain rules. Even warning. In this video, let's discuss all the reasons behind WhatsApp bans and how you can avoid them. Most common reason for banning is unofficial WhatsApp application. Using third-party mod applications like GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, U WhatsApp, and WhatsApp Plus, or any cracked or modded version or modded APK, or some online and last seen tracker app also can affect to WhatsApp banning. Don't give any permission for third-party applications to access WhatsApp original application. Spam and bulk means sending the same message to many people, forwarding messages repeatedly, promotional message without permission. If you want to send any promotion message, use business WhatsApp. They have many features to bulk messages and promotion messages option. And chain messages, sending many messages to numbers that are not saved in contact list, sending too many messages in a short time, messaging many new numbers at once, rapid contact saving and messaging, special contact saving, using WhatsApp immediately after account creation, aggressively type. They can ban your account temporarily. The reported means multiple people report your account or messages. Your WhatsApp account frequently blocks by recipient or many recipients block your account. Even normal messages can cause bans if many users report you. Add auto reply bots, unofficial bots, auto messaging tool, auto group adding softwares, WhatsApp scraping tools can cause to this problem. WhatsApp group problems are adding unknown contacts to groups, mass group invitations, creating too many groups, and join too many unrelated groups, and received many messages from the numbers that are not saved in your contact list, and join to prohibited groups can affect your WhatsApp ban. Like scam links, fake job offers, fake giveaways, phishing links, malware links, fraud messages, threatening messages, hate speech, bullying, abusive language, and repeated unwanted messages pretending to be a company or celebrity or any other person, or especially official organization, and fake verified looking profiles, especially using logos illegally. Ignoring pre-warnings and temporary bans, ignoring and repeating actions after temporary bans. Multiple temporary bans lead to permanent ban your account. Multiple account means you can use 2 or 3 accounts on one device, but switching many numbers frequently and creating multiple accounts for spam things and using cloning applications can identify WhatsApp unusual activities. Mass registration for one IP and spam behavior for shared network, using VPN aggressively, especially VPN used to any WhatsApp activities, unauthorized API access and fake business API tools, using unofficial CRM integrations, and doing business related thing using your personal WhatsApp application. If you want features more than normal WhatsApp, please use business WhatsApp for your business activities. Unusual or suspicious account activities, selling illegal products, and any activity violating local and international laws, sharing misleading information, spreading rumors and false news, encouraging harmful behaviors, trying to bypass bans and re-registering banned numbers repeatedly using emulators. Your phone has wrong software versions, using custom ROM, refurbished phone, and badly repaired and parts assembly phones. Phone security and software issues can lead to repeatedly ban your account again and again. If you bought a new number, it's also banned again and again. If your WhatsApp account banned without any reason mentioned in this video, most of the time it can be your device problem. You can use another device for create your WhatsApp account for confirm your existing device has any software issues or device problem. So these are the main reasons why WhatsApp ban your accounts. Avoid these mistakes, use WhatsApp safely and keep your account secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.